This is Short Me Tina once again from shortmetina.com. Doing a video analysis for Litecoin LTC-USD. That's the ticker. So right now what you're looking at is a daily chart dating back to around 2017. Full disclosure, I am long Litecoin. But again, I'm not playing that sort of like shorter term intermediate gain. I am looking sort of far out. I'm looking 5, 6, 7 years out, potentially even more. However, if you are that person that want to play sort of like that shorter term game with cryptocurrencies and coins, then you definitely should subscribe to my newsletter. I release it once a month, so you're not going to get like annoying emails like every single day or every 2-3 days or every week. It's just once a month. It's the 8th of every month. I release my last one was released June 8th. Next one obviously coming up would be July 8th, so it's coming up relatively soon, and it can be consumed. If I have not mentioned this, it can be consumed in like 30 minutes, so you're not going to be sitting there like going through pages and pages of things. And what's contained in my newsletter? Well, I just talk a little bit about what I think is relevant in the space. I try to make it like really sort of simple to like get through things that I find to be interesting and exciting, and it keeps me up to date in the space as well, because I think it's interesting and I want to be sort of like at the forefront of this. Also, I do an analysis, a technical analysis of the big four in that moment. And the big four, obviously, in my opinion, would be the Bitcoin, Ripple, Litecoin, and Ethereum. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely head on over to shortmetina.com and hit that crypto tab and sign up. Again, it's released once a month. And I just go over, sometimes I talk about the positions that I'm in, not to sound repetitive or redundant. Also, I talk about, I do technical analysis, and I talk about, whatever is relevant, in my opinion, or exciting in the space. At any rate, so for the most part, this is what members saw on June 8th, minus this fuchsia line here. They saw that line, they saw that arrow with this indicating that there's a possibility that we might break 100 support. I did not think that we would break 100, but the fact that when I released the newsletter, we were actually sitting right on support, I indicated, well, just, brace yourself. There's a possibility we might actually breach that level. And we kind of did. We're sitting here at 74.71. So I think right now, although we're kind of in no man's land, right? We saw this price around late 2017. From a risk reward perspective, if you're looking for a trade, jumping in right now might not be such a bad idea. Again, because we're sitting on support. And I can see Litecoin easily taking a trip to about 106. And even if we breach here, the next level of support would be somewhere around here, which is like 50, etc., etc. So we definitely have levels of support before we kind of like, before panic should set in. And I don't think panic at this point should set in. If we get to 50 and we breach that, then I think panic might set in. Obviously, if you bought up here, you're probably already panicking. But again, if you're playing the longer term game, play that longer term game. I indicated that, these coins are going to do so many different things in the shorter term, right? It's gonna be trading at like $300-400, then it's gonna be trading at 70, back to 200. It's gonna be all over the place. The best thing that you can do, in my opinion, again, and take it with a grain of salt, is just to, treat it as speculative again, because this can go boom or bust. Allocate a certain percentage and hold. That's what I'm going to do. If you want to trade in and out these things, then again, head on over to shortmetina.com. I do technical analysis on this once a month via my free newsletter. So that's it. If you like this analysis, let me know. Send me an email. Short Me Tina here. Thank you for listening, and as always, thank you for the support.